How to download the MT5 web trader on RCG markets. First of all, we go to the portal, and if you have no idea how to come here in the portal, please check out the previous video that I created. Then after this we click on trading platforms, and then we go to platforms, and then right now we want this MT5 client. So we right now click on download MT5 client, download the EXE, and then right now we have here the RCG markets. Click on continue, and then right now he is downloading, and in a few seconds we have the MT5 trader. So now we click on finish, and there it is. Look at this, guys. Here is the screen that we wanted. So right now we have the MT5 right here on the screen. This is how you can get the MT5 trader. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.